Hello guys, today we will learn about describe image in PT preparation, how to score good marks in speaking by practicing describe image. This is the section where a person is generally getting less marks because we take time to think about what to speak for the section. But this is the easiest section if you practice it well. There are 83 practice tests in this Venbo.tv practice test website, and if I guarantee you, if you practice all 83 tests, you will definitely score good marks. So it is an easy section. You just need to keep this in mind that they are checking your English and along with the content of what you are speaking. So in brief, you have to tell the highlights of the paragraph of the graph, when the percentage is getting the highest, when it is getting the lowest, in which year it is getting the lowest, and which two countries, like in this case Asia and Europe, are compared. Mostly the graphs which you'll get will be comparison graphs, and we have to keep in mind whether it is the bar graph, line graph, pie chart. These are the various variations which you are likely to get in PTE, like bar graph, pie chart, line, flow, map, picture, or table. So we are practicing today about a line graph. So here is the expert recording. Here is the recording which you will make after you will practice. So once you will practice, then compare it with the expert recording, and then accordingly you can also add points and get new ideas about how to speak. So this graph has mainly two main parts. That is, first is heading, and then x-axis and y-axis. We have to keep in mind what is the percentage that is in this case. It is given in percentage, sometimes it is given in milliliters, and what measurement unit is given. This is the main in this y-axis, and in x-axis we have to see starting year and the ending year. So in first 10 seconds, just read whatever is given in the graph. For this case, we can say that this graph mainly describes the percentage world population by region and shows the comparison between Asia and Europe in terms of percentage from year 1750 to year 2000. In year 1750, Asia had a population of 60%, which declined in year 1950 and reached 55%. And later on, it again started increasing, and in 2000, it reached 60%. Similarly, Europe's population started in 1750 at 20% and remained stable up to year 1850, and then started increasing and reached 25% in year 1900, and then suddenly declined and reached 10% in year 2000. Overall, Asia's population is much higher as compared to the population of Europe. So, we have described all the important points. We have described which year and how much population it reached. We have to describe the percentage and according to the country which is mentioned in the graph. So we have mentioned all the points, and there was no break, no stammering, nothing in between. So you will get full marks if you will practice like this. All the best for your PT exam. Thank you.